Welcome. In the next few minutes you will learn how to fix the lobby not found error, often accompanied by error codes 292110 or 2901. In Modern Warfare 3, MW3 error usually pops up when trying to connect to multiplayer matches and prevents you from accessing online gameplay. Let's troubleshoot this issue step by step. First, we'll address potential conflicts with your firewall or network address translation (NAT) settings. Antivirus software and firewalls are designed to protect your computer, but they can sometimes block game connections. Make sure that MW3 are allowed in your antivirus and firewall exceptions list. Next, you need to open certain ports on your router that MW is to communicate. Access your router settings, usually through a web browser, and open ports 3074 for both UDP and TCP protocols. This step might seem technical, but most router interfaces have user-friendly guides to help you. If the issue persists, corrupted game files could be the culprit. Steam users can verify the integrity of game files through the Steam client. If you're using a disk, try repairing the game files through the Disk's options menu. Network connectivity problems are another common cause of this error. Start by checking if your internet connection is stable. Restarting your modem and router can also resolve many connectivity issues. A wire connection using an Ethernet cable is always more stable than Wi-Fi, so consider switching if possible. If you suspect a problem with your internet service, contact your internet service provider to check for outages or issues on their end. Here are a few additional tips. Disable any VPN or proxy software as they can interfere with game connections. Clearing your console's cache can also be beneficial. Finally, if all else fails, reinstalling the game should be considered as a last resort. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more such tutorials.